Merry Christmas, Journey.
Merry Christmas. What?
To Journey from Santa. Merry Christmas.
Aww.
That's cool, Journey.
It's a desk. And that is a board you can write on.
You can do your homework at your desk now. Do you like it? That's a cool thing.
Let me see what's in my stocking.
Are you going to open your
Oh.
stocking? Okay.
Ooh, crayons for this.
Yeah,
that'd be cool.
Good. You knew exactly.
I want to do some.
Well, you've got so much to open. Why don't you open some stuff first?
Ooh.
What is
For
that?
this, my new soap.
What is that?
It's soap.
Cool.
Dixon, let's see what
It's actually
See what you got, Dixon.
shampoo.
Let me see. I think it's actually bubble bath, Journey. It says bubble bath on it.
Little fishies for Dixon.
New bubble bath, yay! Bubble bath.
Look, Dixon. That's for you too.
Flobby likes us.
I think he does. Here, you can have that right now.
He's like, I know what that's for.
Yeah. Here, you want to chew on that? You're
Ooh,
welcome.
what's this?
That says gummies, multivitamins. It's a vitamin, Journey.
Gummy vitamins for me.
Wow.
Good, am I?
This is from Journey, another one. Journey bought you presents before you were born, Dixon.
All kinds of them.
You have some there? Here. I'll give you a little help.
There's 2 Smurfs in my house.
We're elves.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm like taking pictures with my camera and the video camera.
What you getting there, buddy?
Why are you in my house, though?
Grandma and Grandpa Blair gave us elf hats.
Because they're silly.
You think you know what's in
Yeah,
there?
you seem to be having kind of fun with it.
Here you go.
Paper.
More fish.
Go let him hold the fishies.
Fishy, fishy.
Although he likes the paper, so he might not
Nope.
want to get rid of the paper.
Fishy.
You got some bath toys from your sister.